This video walks you through how to set up a CRM in Notion. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page that will hold your CRM. This gives you a dedicated workspace for contact records, follow-ups, and status tracking in one place. Name the page so it is clear what it contains, then move into the page to begin building the database. Next, create the database itself. Click New and choose a table database. This table will be the main structure for your contacts, where each row represents one person or company you want to track. Once the table appears, you can begin shaping it into a CRM instead of a general notes database. Add the properties you need for each record. Create fields for company, contact name, email, phone, status, owner, last contacted, and next follow-up. These properties give each contact a consistent set of details, which makes it easier to sort, review, and update information later. As you add them, make sure each property matches the type of information you plan to store, especially for dates like last contacted and next follow-up. With the structure in place, start adding your contacts. Create a new entry for each customer, lead, or client you want to manage in Notion. Fill in the details for each one using the properties you just created. If some information is not available yet, you can leave those fields blank and return to them later. After your first entries are in place, create different views for the database. Add a table view, a board view, and a list view. These views let you look at the same contact data in different ways depending on what you want to focus on. A table is useful for reviewing full records, while a board or list can help you scan contacts by status or owner. Once the views are ready, organize the CRM using filters, sorting, or grouping. This helps you narrow the database to active leads, current customers, or records assigned to a specific owner. Sorting can bring the most recent activity or upcoming follow-ups into view, while grouping can separate records by status so you can see where each contact stands. As you begin using the CRM, keep each customer record current. Log interactions directly in the entry, update statuses when progress changes, and schedule follow-up dates as you work with each contact. This keeps the database useful as a working record rather than a static contact list. Finally, review the CRM regularly and update the database to keep customer information accurate and organized. A CRM in Notion works best when the records reflect current conversations, recent contact dates, and the next action that needs attention. Your Notion CRM is now set up with contact records, views, and follow-up tracking.